Good morning, guys. So today is Sunday, the 21st, and me and my boyfriend have tickets to the Dolphins game today. It's the Dolphins versus the Lions or whatever. He is like a huge fan of the Dolphins and he really wanted to go, so I bought him these tickets for like his birthday or whatever that passed. So that's what the move is today. And since I bought this expensive ass camera and I have yet to like fully use it except for when we went to Paris, I decided, you know, I might try to vlog today. Hopefully, I've never been to, like, this is actually my very first football game. I've never been to a football game before. Always wanted to go but just like never did. So this will be my first football game, so I thought I might try to vlog. Say hey, Molly. Say hey, Molly. Hi. Guys, this is my baby Molly. Hey girl, she's a little dirty right now. She gotta go to the groomer soon. It's probably my boyfriend. Where's the phone? Oh, nope. It's my bitch Miona. Bitch, you called me right as I'm vlogging. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. You should do better. You fell in love. You let him do you like that. You let him cheat on you. You let him beat on you. She's doing way better and all out of your feelings. Your weight just came back and your ass get a little bigger. What? If we got a camera, we would never know.
First and 10 at the 25-yard line. Hey, that quarter already started.
Hey y'all. So we lost. Do you know what the final score was? Because we left before the game even finished.
Undefeated season.
But it's hot as hell. I hate when this happens. Creasing. Dude, that look cool. Oh, it look like my lips is moving in slow motion. That is so cool. I wonder why it does that. Hold on. Nah, I can't do it. Wow, nah, I can't do it.
Wrong, B.
Hey y'all. Why are you always laughing at me when I say that? We are on our way to House of Horrors. We're going to the little one that's in Doral. It has 2 haunted houses this year compared to the one that it usually has. It's like this little carnival shit or whatever with a haunted house. So that's where we're on our way to, darling. I'm gonna try to vlog while I'm there, but we all know I suck at vlogging. He promised me that he would help me today, so we'll see how that goes, because that's why I didn't get to vlog that much when we went to the Dolphins game, and I didn't get to vlog that much because of him. Mr. I'ma help you, but then when it's time to help, you nowhere to be found.
I don't ever recall her. Like,
yes, you did. When I was in Paris, listen, when I was in Paris, I was stressing because nobody wanted to help me vlog. I was doing it by myself, and I was stressing to him how, oh my god, nobody wants to help me. He's like, you know, babe, if I was there, I would help you. But talking of all the storm, talking of a big storm, and now the time has come to back up all that yapping. And I must say, you falling a little short. But hey,
crazy.
Niggas make promises every day, B. So we gonna see. Actions speak louder than words. We gonna see. If I have material to post and whatever, then I do. If I don't, I don't. Thanks to him. We'll see. But I'm gonna see y'all when we get there.
So we're over here. We are our first meal of the day.
We are here, guys. So we are at House of Horrors. It is so dead. Woo! Never find a way. I think probably because it's a Thursday. But I'm not complaining. That just means for the haunted house won't be long. Oh, speaking of that, we need to go see what times they do it, because I think it's like every like hour or something.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, y'all. So we eating right now. I got some tenders, he got pizza, like all this niggas, why you always eating pizza?
Because pizza's good. You all eating that shit.
You left my water. You left my water.
Oh shit, my bad.
Wait, so he didn't have a straw?
No, I gave you the straw, agree?
Oh. Thank you.
I think I'm gonna stop recording because nigga gotta eat.
Huh? You letting all the napkins fly with it.
I said, a nigga gonna stop recording because I gotta eat.
Wow.
Do you have any forks?
It's like we came here.
To eat.
Exactly. It's like we came here just to eat. This boy done got him a whole freaking, what is it called? Is that what an elephant ear is? This boy done got himself a whole freaking funnel cake. Let me show y'all this monstrosity. Clearly only came here to eat, y'all.
Is it a mission failure? I thought it was good.
It's actually really good. You showing them your true colors right now. Y'all see how he treat me when food around? When food around, he don't give a fuck. He don't give a fuck.
Vice versa.
When food around, when sleep around, you right. I don't care. Sleep over everything. Sleep over these niggas.
Hey Hika, how you doing?
Hey Wes. So we're here at the haunted house. Show the people.
Dun dun.
We're about to see how the timing thing goes.
Dun dun dun. I told you
found the
that.
bar though.
I told you it was a no under the world bar.
They claim it's an underground bar, but yet like it's clearly above.
The bar is just called Underground Bar. This is right after the funnel cake.
You want to go do one right now?
The picture?
No, one of the haunted houses.
We can do the haunted house, we could do the picture, we could do whatever.
What picture?
The picture with the cartoon picture.
Oh, no, not the picture. Let's do a haunted house. Let's do a haunted house first so we can feel like we did something besides just eat.
Okay, sure. So this chick getting drawn. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. The island. Boom.
So we finished both haunted houses. It wasn't that scary, to be honest. He got a little scared.
What you mean?
No, I was not.
You was behind the whole line pushing me back. What is he talking
Because
about?
I didn't want to be first. You gotta let other people go
All
first so you
right.
know what to
What
expect.
you mean?
Whatever.
That's
But we got
understand.
our picture drawn. Do y'all think it looks like me? I don't really think you look like me that much. So we are leaving, y'all. Wesley almost made me have a fucking heart attack on this ride. I almost cried like a baby.
Sure did. You
That's
sure
what I
did
feel.
cry like a baby.
Whatever. I feel a little lost.
Don't forget that you cried.
I always wanted to get one of these done and I finally got it. Come on.
You still look like you crying, to be honest.
He low-key tried me. I feel like he made me look so old. I look like a cougar. But I feel
You
like
are
he
a
got
cougar.
Wesley accurate as fuck.
You're my cougar.
Oh yeah, man.
On our way out.
So my boyfriend just dropped me home. I'm so freaking tired. So y'all, I'm about to go to sleep. I have work at 8 tomorrow. See y'all in the next vlog or the next video, whichever one comes first. Peace.